Welcome everybody to the Connex Saturn, the CX-33 SSB. This is a repair report for Chris in Florida. He sent it in to us with no receive audio. At all. He had hooked up dual house speakers, which says he thought that's what took it out, but I don't think that's what it is. I think you got a voltage spike. We replaced your audio amplifier and that got your sound back, but your receiver was still well messed up. And AGC was all messed up, so we're replacing IC1. We replaced that chip, fixed that up, did an alignment, got it all back to specs, and here we are. We'll do a little tune-up demonstration here. Alright, we got the power down all the way. That's 1 watt. All the way up, we turned down a little bit to about 6.5 watts. Audio check. 1, 2. Whoa. Check. That's a 50 watt scale there. Audio check. See it going over to 40. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And inside down. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Where's all that roadkill there, darling? We hear you down here in South Florida. Where's that roadkill at? How about that Michigan Mobile? How about that Michigan Mobile? 642, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're trying. Sounding good down here. You have a good holiday now. Screwdriver 642. Bag out. We'll see you. Where's all that roadkill there, darling? We hear you down here in South Florida. Where's that roadkill at? How about that Michigan Mobile? 642, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're trying. 642 on Florida. Hello, 642 on Florida. I'll be hearing you up here in this Mobile. 650 back out. Tambo, we're sounding good down here. You have a good holiday now. Screwdriver 642. Back out. We'll see you. Alright, you have a little one down there in Florida. Keep the sun shining. You guys need to all pump it down.